My name is Mark Lancaster, and I'm your small business coach. I'm looking for a couple of students to go through my new training program, and let's just go through what it's all about. The first step is list building. Building your email list is one of the most important things you can do in your new business because you don't always want to be using paid traffic. If you have a new product or service you want to offer to your clients, you want to be able to send them emails to let them know about your new product or service. I talk about how to send out those emails, your profit centers, getting a good lead magnet, and there's some bonus student trainings in there. So if you're interested in working with a coach, you can reach me right here at marklancaster2010 at yahoo.com. Send me an email with your contact info, the type of business that you're in. Tell me about your product or service, and tell me about the successes that you've had and maybe some areas that you need help with. So I'd love to have you send me an email. I'll read through what I get and we'll go from there. You can reach me at marklancaster2010 at yahoo.com.